Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I have completed another wagon concept, and this one is the Hot Wheels. So I was able to locate all of my Hot Wheels in my stash. All the toys in this basket came from the Family Dollar sale when my Family Dollar was closing last year. So we had these two Hot Wheels sets that these kids are going to love. I also had the slingshots that I put up under the Hot Wheels just to fill that space in, but of course it is a Hot Wheel item as well. And the tracks were marked $1, and I paid 10 cents for them because they were 90% off when I got all of this stuff at Family Dollar. So this basket is very economical to make, or was, simply because of what I paid. However, this is going to be one of my large baskets. I will not call this an extra large, but this is one of my large. And it turned out really cute. Snack wise, we have our cotton candy. I have other candies sprinkled out through there. We have 4 eggs in there, Cheez-Its, we have fruit snacks, Fun Dip. So we have a lot of goodies in there. And then I put the dinosaur bubbles in there. And I brought my handle up and taped it up as well so that I would have some evenness on both sides when I bag this. I put a piece of tape across the front of those holes there just to keep those eggs from coming through. And I have a little plush dinosaur as well as our little plush carrot in there. So you tell me what you think. I also have that air football in there. But tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for all of your support. Blessings to you. You all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing.
Just keep to say hello. I just keep to say hello.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina.